You agree with that, Brent? In a way, it always seems to me like Ronnie
runs in like the Bubba authority.
What, does Bubba have something on it? Like, you know, if Bubba was nice to Ronnie and brought him to strip clubs and shit and put him on the radio.
Yeah.
But so do I.
But then you dropped him. Ronnie, you got married and stopped hanging out.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Gotta get a new friend.
It's so disappointing that Ronnie is more loyal and protective of Bubba than Howard. He becomes protective and defensive and looking out for Bubba's interest, too. You know? I think Ronnie doesn't.
He doesn't. He definitely doesn't.
You confronted him about it, right?
Oh, really?
No, there's something going on because as soon as you said that, Ronnie's watching the TV and I heard him go, "What's Brent shaking his head about?"
Brent agrees. Yeah, and I don't know what was Ronnie. Like, I love Bubba too, but like Ronnie seems to be more loyal to Bubba.
And he spent an hour and 12 minutes listening to Bubba motherfuck me. So you don't listen to that if you're not into it.
Well,
for an hour and 12 minutes.
He called me up. He sent it to me. He said, "Hey, listen if you feel like listening." So I listened.
Right.
I was taking a shower. I was in the bathroom. It was not like I sat down and studied it.
But I don't sit down and study albums.
I took a shit.
But I don't put on an album that I'm not into listening to, even if I'm doing other stuff.
Well, if I don't listen to it, I don't know what it said.
I think Brent feels sometimes you don't take his side in arguments, and you're more loyal to Bubba, I guess.